just what I had in mind.
Hey y'all, it's me, Prettywitty77, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my first ever braid out takedown. I started off with cold washed hair and I applied my Jamaican black Castor leave-in conditioner before I stepped out of the shower. I sat down, detangled and smoothed, and added the main choice, Pearly braid out glaze, and just simply braiding my hair. When I tell y'all I was scared to take my braids down, so I waited 2 days. I have a coconut oil on my fingertips as I unravel my braids. Again, I was so scared that I was going to get frizz, so I was just like, let me just do what I see everybody do. That definition though. So next I started to separate the braid because I was so scared that my hair was going to look flat. But regardless of me putting that oil on my fingertips, I still got a little frizz. I just don't know how to avoid it at this point. So if you guys have any tips, feel free to comment below. I really wasn't sure what look I was going for. I just wanted to make sure that all of my braids were dry upon takedown. I did a total of 20 braids, and I don't know, the texture is kind of tight. I was kind of expecting a more looser look, but I see a little definition, so no complaints. I just wanted to mention that when I was putting that braid out glaze on my hair, it was so sticky and I was scared that my hair was going to be so sticky. But guess what? As it dried, I can feel nothing. It's literally so soft. So this is my hair after I finished unbraiding and separating my curls. It was kind of flat and I expected this. That's why I got my handy dandy pick and I decided to go ahead and just fluff my roots a little bit. So these are my final results. This is the biggest I can get my hair without causing frizz and compromising definition. What do you guys think? Did I do good for my first braid out? Please comment below. Also, let me know your favorite styling product for your braid outs. And that pretty much concludes this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Oh, and make sure you hit the notification bell, sis, to become a part of the notification gang. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.